Hi everyone. Welcome to this podcast episode. I am Olivia, host of this popular show. Do you need an affordable repair solution for your Samsung Galaxy phone? I will highly recommend iTech Xpress for great services at competitive prices. iTech Xpress is a trusted and affordable repair center in Covina. It offers an array of services for all sort of devices including phones, laptops, and others. You can count on them for screen replacement, water damage, security services for all smart devices. Their high-caliber repair solutions and replacement services can ensure a flawless job, no matter how complicated the problems are. Visit iTechXpressInc.com or call at 626-777-4747 for more info. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more podcasts.